wind calm, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Lee Street 5376.
Tower 3675, sound visual 1.
Con 3675, watch tower, continue. Mercury 2705, turn left in November without delay, contact ground, you have a nice day. Left November, no delay, Mercury 2702. Delta 1239, wind calm, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Delta 1239, runway 1, clear for takeoff. American 1902, S turn along the river until a 2-mile final.
KLS turn American 1902.
Wisconsin 3675, wind calm, change to runway 33, clear to land, traffic holds in position, runway 1.
Change to clear land 33, Wisconsin 3675.
Delta 1239, have a great day, contact us on departure.
1239, thanks.